Hi, I told you that I would send the next one so that you can see how to pre-schedule a meeting so that everybody can have access to it depending on which program that they are in. Rather, I should say which Google Classroom that they're in. So you can do this with any of the Google Classrooms that you're a teacher in. And this was shown to me by Mr. Waddington, so thank you, Mr. Waddington. You hit classwork. When you get here, you've got a Google Calendar. You just click on that, and that brings up the calendar. You choose the day that you want and the time that you want. So let's say Friday at 12. And then you can type in your title and it will schedule a Google Meet for you. Add Google Video Conferencing. And that way, when it comes up, that time comes up, anybody who's got access to the calendar will be able to join. And you can share it with as many people as you want, I believe. Add my guests here. I can add them directly here, or I can, just like before, copy and paste and email the information. That's it. And you see that it's done. Any other tweaking that I want to do, I can obviously do while it's still open, but that's the easiest way to schedule one for your future.